Artie and Regina were a happily married couple raising their two sons in Central Texas. One day, while Artie was working as a floor hand on a drilling rig, a heavy piece of oilfield equipment that a coworker was moving fell from overhead and hit Artie in the back. The force of the blow broke Artie's back, and he was rushed to the hospital in critical condition. The accident left Artie paralyzed and in a wheelchair. Artie and his wife Regina were referred to the Ammons Law Firm for representation. Because Artie's employer had workers' compensation, the law did not allow a suit against the employer or the coworker. So the Ammons Law Firm's investigation focused on whether a defect in equipment used on the rig contributed to the accident.
Before we found Mr. Ammons, we had spoke to several other lawyers, and they pretty much turned us away because our case was fairly complicated, and we found Mr. Ammons through a friend of a friend and contacted him, and he flew to Amarillo to see me because I didn't want to leave Artie because he was in ICU, and he flew out there and talked to us about our case, and he said, you know, let me investigate it. I'll do what I can. I'll see what we can do. But he didn't turn us away. He accepted our case even though it was quite complicated.
The investigation led the Ammons Law Firm to file suit against an oilfield equipment manufacturer. After a hard-fought court battle, a recovery was obtained for Artie and his family.
Mr. Ammons and his firm has represented us very well. It's been a long road, but Mr. Ammons has been there for us. He's very good at what he does, and he's very honest. He never came and told us and promised us anything from the get-go. All he promised us was that he was going to work as hard as he could for us, and that he would do everything that he could to get it the best end result for us. And throughout the whole process, that's how he pretty much worked. It was what was best for us. Everyone that works in his law firm is just extremely nice. Anytime we had a question, we needed to email or anything, we always got a response. And we appreciate him for everything that he has done in his law firm by helping us, because like I said, this has been a long road and very successful ending for us, thanks to him. And we just appreciate him, and I would recommend him to anyone for everything he's done for us.